A leopard is carrying the carcass of its prey toward a tree. Nature has endowed the leopard with a special ability, the capacity to climb trees. It takes its prey up the tree and eats it peacefully. It slowly approaches the tree, places the prey on the ground, and looks around while resting. Then, gripping the carcass in its mouth, it leaps. A leopard has the ability to climb a tree carrying a weight 50% heavier than itself. But unexpectedly, it falls with a thud midway along with the carcass. This makes it appear a bit concerned. Perhaps its confidence wavers slightly, or it succumbs to superstition, considering the tree unlucky, and moves toward another tree.